Welcome to this complete Zanzibar Tanzania guide. Nestled off the Tanzanian coast, Zanzibar is an island paradise steeped in history and bursting with culture. It's a place where azure waters meet pristine beaches, where ancient architecture tells tales of a bygone era, and where the air is filled with the intoxicating aroma of spices. A visit here is like stepping into a vibrant tapestry of colors, flavors, and experiences. So buckle up and prepare to embark on an unforgettable journey. Now let's explore the top 10 must-visit spots in Zanzibar. Our first stop is Stone Town, the heart and soul of Zanzibar. This enchanting town, with its rich history and vibrant culture, has been honored with UNESCO World Heritage status. As we venture into its labyrinthine alleyways, we are transported back in time. The architecture is a testament to the town's dynamic past, a fusion of Arab, Persian, Indian, and European influences. The town's history is deeply intertwined with the slave trade era. The old slave market site, now the Anglican Cathedral, stands as a poignant reminder of the town's past. The bustling marketplaces, the Sultan's Palace, and the House of Wonders further add to the town's allure. With every corner turned, there's a story waiting to be told. While the echoes of the past are strong, Stone Town is also a place of living history. The locals go about their daily lives, weaving their own stories into the rich tapestry of Stone Town's history. Stone Town is a living museum, a place where history is not just remembered, but lived every day. Next, we head north to the stunning Nungwi Beach. Imagine a place where the sands are as white as sugar and the waters as clear as crystal. That's Nungwi Beach for you. Tucked away at the northern tip of Zanzibar, this beach is a dazzling spectacle of nature's beauty. The azure waters of the Indian Ocean gently lap against the pristine shoreline, creating a soothing symphony that's music to the ears. Underneath these calm waters, there's a vibrant world teeming with marine life. Tropical fish of all hues dart between the coral reefs, making it a dream come true for snorkelers and divers. But that's not all. As the sun dips below the horizon, the sky transforms into a canvas of brilliant hues. A sunset at Nungwi Beach is truly a feast for the eyes. It's a place where you can lose track of time, immersing yourself in the tranquility and beauty of nature. Nungwi Beach is a slice of tropical paradise. Just off the coast of Stone Town is Prison Island. This isle, also known as Canggu, is steeped in history. Once upon a time, it served as a quarantine station for yellow fever cases. It was a place of isolation where the ill were kept away from the healthy populations of Stone Town. But don't let its somber past put you off. Today, Prison Island is a sanctuary, a refuge for the slow and steady, to the Aldebra giant tortoise. These gentle giants, some over 100 years old, find a safe haven here, far from the threats of the outside world. It's a remarkable transformation, isn't it? From a quarantine station to a sanctuary, Prison Island has reinvented itself, much like the tortoises it now protects. It's a testament to Zanzibar's commitment to conservation, to preserving and protecting its unique wildlife. A visit to Prison Island is a journey into Zanzibar's past and its commitment to conservation. We leave the beach behind to explore Yozani Chwaka Bay National Park. Here, tucked away in the heart of Zanzibar, a lush, green paradise awaits us. Known as the last sanctuary for the rare red colobus monkey, this park is a haven for nature lovers. These playful creatures, unique to Zanzibar, are one of the island's most treasured inhabitants, known for their striking coats and boisterous personalities. But the park is not just about these lovable primates. It's a thriving ecosystem bursting with life. The park's sweeping mangrove forests are a sight to behold. These water-loving trees with their tangled roots create an otherworldly landscape that is as enchanting as it is vital to the park's biodiversity. Home to a myriad of bird species and marine life, these forests are a living testament to the delicate balance of nature. So whether you're a wildlife enthusiast or simply a lover of natural beauty, Yozani Chwaka Bay National Park has something for you. It's a testament to Zanzibar's rich biodiversity. Next, we head to a spice plantation, a nod to Zanzibar's nickname as the Spice Island. This island, with its rich, fertile soil, is a veritable Eden for spice cultivation. From cloves and cinnamon to nutmeg and black pepper, the variety of spices grown here is simply astounding. And it's not just about seeing these spices in their raw, earthy state. It's about experiencing them in every conceivable way. As you meander through the plantation, the air is thick with the tantalizing aromas of fresh spices. You'll get to touch the rough bark of the cinnamon tree, taste the fiery kick of raw pepper, and even hear the rustle of vanilla beans swaying in the wind. It's like stepping into a live cookery show, sans the heat of the kitchen, and the guides, they're seasoned pros, no pun intended. With their wealth of knowledge, they'll make this sensory journey all the more enriching. A spice plantation tour is a feast for the senses. Now, we return to the coast to visit Kendwa Beach. Located on Zanzibar's eastern coast, Kendwa Beach is a slice of tropical paradise, renowned for its azure waters and pristine sands. But there's more to Kendwa than just its breathtaking beauty. It's a magnet for the adventurous, a playground for kite surfers. Kendwa's consistent winds make it an ideal spot for kite surfing, attracting enthusiasts from around the globe. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a curious beginner, Kendwa is the place to feel the thrill of the wind in your hair and the spray of the sea on your face. But let's not forget about the underwater wonders. The area is home to stunning coral reefs, teeming with a colorful array of marine life. Diving or snorkeling here is like stepping into a different world, a world of vibrant hues and enchanting creatures. Kendwa Beach is a haven for water sports enthusiasts. It's a destination that perfectly balances relaxation and excitement, making it a must-visit spot on your Zanzibar journey. Our next stop is the ancient Kizim Kazi Mosque. Nestled in the heart of Zanzibar, the Kizim Kazi Mosque is a testament to the island's rich history and cultural diversity. As one of the oldest Islamic buildings on the East African coast, its construction dates back to the 12th century. This mosque has seen generations of worshippers pass through its doors, serving as a spiritual oasis for the local community. Its architectural design, a harmonious blend of Swahili and Persian influences, is a visual story in itself. The mosque has borne witness to the changing tides of time, yet it remains a constant fixture in the lives of the Kizim Kazi people. Its historical significance extends beyond the physical structure. The Kizim Kazi Mosque is a living testament to the peaceful coexistence of different cultures on this spice island. It's a place where faith, history, and community converge, providing a unique glimpse into the soul of Zanzibar. The Kizim Kazi Mosque stands as a symbol of Zanzibar's rich cultural tapestry. Next, we head to Kendwa Beach, a quieter alternative to Nungwi. If you're looking for tranquility, Kendwa is the place to be. It's a restful retreat, a haven from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. With its powdery white sands, crystal clear waters, and lush backdrops, Kendwa is the epitome of serene beauty. It's not just about the daytime allure. The sunsets here are an experience in themselves. As the sun dips below the horizon, it paints the sky in hues of pink, orange, and gold, a spectacle that will leave you breathless and in awe of nature's grandeur. The beach is a wonderful place to simply relax, take a dip, or enjoy a leisurely walk. The gentle lapping of the waves and the soft whisper of the breeze all come together to create a symphony of tranquility. Kendwa Beach is the perfect spot to unwind. It's where you can truly disconnect, to reconnect with yourself. We now travel offshore to the pristine Memba Atol. A true gem of Zanzibar, this privately owned atoll is nestled in the azure Indian Ocean. It's not just an island, it's a marine conservation area, a testament to Tanzania's commitment to preserving its natural wonders. This atoll is a sanctuary for an array of aquatic life, from colorful coral reefs to playful dolphins, and even the endangered green turtles. It's a world-class destination for snorkeling and diving, offering unparalleled underwater exploration. Imagine gliding through crystal clear waters surrounded by vibrant sea creatures in their natural habitat. It's an experience that would put even the most vibrant picture postcards to shame. And it's not just about the aquatic life. The atoll's sandy beaches are a haven for nesting turtles, providing a unique opportunity to witness one of nature's most fascinating processes. Memba Atol is a marine paradise where every visit is a front-row seat to the symphony of life beneath the waves. Our final stop is the old fort, also known as Ngome. Nestled in the heart of Stone Town, this grand edifice has a story as rich as the town itself. Built in the late 17th century by the Omani Arabs, the fort served as a bulwark against the Portuguese and other hostile forces. Its colossal stone walls whisper tales of battles fought and victories won. Today, the fort is far from a silent sentinel. It's a vibrant cultural hub hosting an array of events. The annual Zanzibar International Film Festival is one of its star attractions, drawing cinephiles from around the globe. The fort also houses an open-air amphitheater where traditional music and dance performances breathe life into the old stones. In the heart of the fort, a bustling market offers a treasure trove of local artifacts, from colorful textiles to intricate wood carvings. The old fort is a testament to Zanzibar's resilience and spirit. And that concludes our guide to Zanzibar, the tropical paradise off the coast of Tanzania. We've journeyed through the historical stone town, basked in the sun at Nungwi and Kendwa beaches, and had our senses awakened on the Spice Plantation tour. We've ventured to the depths of Jozani Chwaka Bay National Park, marveled at the Kizim Kazi Mosque, and explored the Memba Atol. Each location a testament to Zanzibar's unique charm. From its rich history to its stunning natural beauty, Zanzibar is a destination that truly has something for everyone.